Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some skin glowing drink or skin glowing juice. You're going to love this. Look at the color. Very tasty and scrumptious. And so please, before we start, if you have not yet subscribed, I want to beg you to consider subscribing. Click on the bell icon, like and share this video. So we are going to make use of carrot and turmeric, fresh turmeric. So the first thing is to chop our carrot into pieces. Yes, please do well to share this video for me, like and leave a comment as well. Okay, so chop everything, and then the next thing we are going to add the turmeric to it. So the next thing we are going to do is to wash it and boil it. Yes, so this is after boiling. We've allowed it to cool down and we are going to blend it. This recipe is very simple, and so I'm going to blend it very well. And so this is it after blending. I'm going to add lemon juice to it, about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, and I blended it again. I'm now straining it. Now after blending this, you don't even need to strain, but I just said let me strain it because it has no chaff. Carrot, you get the benefits more when you boil it. And for me, I don't like making drinks or juices and I have to throw the chaff away. So when you boil it or when you cook it, there will be no chaff for you to what? To throw away, and you will get a very smooth drink and you're going to love it. And as you can see, we have strained it or sieved it very well and nothing is left to throw away, you see. Okay, so this is it. I added a little bit of water, and at this point you can add any sweetener of your choice. I don't take in sugar, so I'm going to make use of stevia, which is 0 calories, good for anyone who wants to check their sugar intake. Yes, and I'm going to pour this into my glass jug and refrigerate it. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to refrigerate it, and after that we are pouring some for ourselves to enjoy. Look at it, the way it's looking smooth, beautiful and clear. You see, this drink it consistently, every morning, and it's going to glow your skin. And so hey guys, nice to meet you this day. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.